Ambivalent is an adjective that describes having mixed, conflicting or uncertain feelings about something or someone. When a person is ambivalent, they feel both positive and negative emotions at the same time, making it hard to make a decision or hold a clear opinion. This word reflects the tension and indecision that arise when we are torn between opposing desires or attitudes. Origins of ambivalent. The term ambivalent comes from the Latin ambi meaning both and valentia meaning strength or power. It was coined in the early 20th century by psychologists to describe the experience of feeling both positive and negative emotions toward the same object or person. Over time, ambivalent became a more widely used term to describe conflicting feelings in everyday situations. How to use ambivalent. Ambivalent is often used to describe internal conflict, especially in decisions or relationships. For example, someone might feel ambivalent about a new job offer because it offers both appealing and challenging aspects. The word is useful when expressing emotional complexity, where clear preferences or judgments are difficult to establish. Example sentences: she felt ambivalent about moving to a new city. She was excited for the opportunity, but sad to leave her friends behind. Jessa, his ambivalent feelings toward the project made it difficult for him to fully commit. Similar words: conflicted, experiencing contradictory feelings or desires. Uncertain, lacking clear conviction or determination, torn, feeling divided or pulled in different directions emotionally. In essence, ambivalent captures the internal struggle of mixed emotions, highlighting the complex nature of human feelings and the difficulty in making clear-cut decisions when both positive and negative aspects are at play. Subscribe,